Hi, welcome to In the Know. My name is Erica Page, a buyer specialist here at the Loken Group, and I'm here to keep you in the know about renovation loans. I have a very special guest with me today.
Hey guys, I'm Paige Bowman with Kelly Rogers' team at Movement Mortgage, and we're here to keep you in the know about the renovation loan process and what it means for you.
Can you tell us a little bit about sort of where renovation loans have come from, how it's become such a fad, and then sort of how we can renovate our homes and maybe be on TLC or something?
Yeah, so that's exactly where it kind of started from. We really noticed that trend a couple years ago. TLC kind of really brought it to life about renovating the home that you currently live in or a home that you're buying. It's a way to basically turn old into new.
Well, look at that. And a lot of people, especially with our clients, are interested in that. So could you tell me what is the difference in the loan terms about like interest rates, down payment, or any other factors or fees that are associated with renovation loan versus traditional loans?
Okay, of course. And that's a lot of questions that people have. So there's really no difference as far as conventional FHA or VA. All three of those you have the ability to do a renovation loan on. The VA has a little bit more strenuous guidelines, and I'm happy to connect with you guys individually about that. Specifically talking about conventional and FHA loans, there's no difference in down payment. So you could still do a 3.5% down or 3% down program. You could do as much as 20% down plus. As far as interest rate, there's sometimes a slight variation in interest rate depending on what you're having done. And that would be just specific to each file, and we can look at that. And really, I mean, there's really not much difference as far as fees goes.
Okay, that is great information. Yep. Thank you for that. And so what types of repairs and remodeling can be covered with the renovation loan?
So we've seen just as little as paint and changing the AC and getting that worked on, to as big as doing a complete overhaul on their home, changing the kitchen, bathrooms, moving walls, changing flooring, adding pools. That's a big thing. So if you go into a home that has a value and you have the ability to add a pool, that could definitely be something that people do and are doing. We're seeing more.
Okay. I just have one more question for you, and that would be, if there was one kind of takeaway that we would need to know about renovation loans, what would you say that would be?
So there's a couple things that I would definitely tell you. My first thing is if you know that a renovation loan is something that you're interested in, I would definitely say to have a contractor that you found and that you kind of know that you want to work with. Bring him with you on the walkthrough, bring him with you on inspections, or her. Take them with you. That way they can go ahead and be working on those bids. And then also utilize your buyer's agent to find out, okay, if I change the kitchen and update the bathrooms, how much value is that going to give me? We want to make sure that what you're adding is going to give you the value, so you're not utilizing more money than what's available in the home. And really the last thing is just kind of know the process and know kind of the timeline. Depending on how slow or fast the contractor is, we can close a loan in as little as 30 days, and sometimes it can take as long as 45 days. So just know that it might take a little bit longer to get that done, but really you can get the results that you want and get a new home without having that new home feel and being able to have the characteristics of an older home.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you, Paige, so much for being here.
Thank you for having me, Erica.
Yes, of course. Thank you all for joining us and allowing us to keep you in the know on renovation loans.
Bye, guys.